Super easy way to clean your makeup brushes. Make cleaning your makeup brushes a breeze with our silicone makeup cleaning pads. The cleaning surface includes 3 separate textures perfect for all of your different makeup brush sizes, while the convenient finger pocket keeps the cleaning pad in place. Every bristle will be thoroughly cleaned and your brushes will just like new in a matter of minutes. Have a tool to effectively remove allergens, dust, natural impurities, or makeup buildup that can harm your skin. Multi-textured cleaning surface, suitable for all sizes of makeup brushes. Make of environmentally friendly silicone, which will cause no damage to brush bristles during use. Flexibility is needed to perform everyday activities with relative ease. Easy to carry and use on the run in a pinch, at work, or away from home. Fits easily in a purse or pocket. Easy to use while traveling. Dirty brushes become more abrasive and dry as they become more caked with product and debris from your face. Cleaning your brushes regularly keeps them soft enough to not cause damage to your face. Silicone makeup brush cleaning pad can extend the use of your eye and face brushes. It's so durable it can also be used as a cleaning pad for artists' paint brushes. Clean all your brushes at no time to perfection by using silicone makeup brush cleaning pad. Regular makeup brush cleaning can double the life of your brushes. The link in the description. Thanks for watching.